bouquet. Everybody say hi to the bouquet. I made my bouquet for my civil wedding ceremony. It turned out so beautiful. It was a very simple process. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also make yours. I used a bundle each of white tulips and white baby breath flowers. Some of the tulip heads had fallen off their stalks, so I reattached them with hot glue gun. You can go ahead and remove all of them from their stalks and reattach them with hot glue gun so that it will last for long. After that, I removed some of the petals from some of the flowers and I set them aside for later. Then I bundled up 4 of the ones I had removed the petals from and tied them with a rubber band. This bundle is what would be in the center of the bouquet. After that, I arranged the rest of the flowers around the 4. You have to keep turning and moving them around until you are satisfied with the arrangement. When I was happy with the placements, I went ahead to place the baby breath all around the tulips. At this point, I should have tied the tulips again before adding the baby breath because they kept moving around, but I managed to get it done. You need to be patient with this. Adjust, move, remove until you are very happy with the placements. Hi! Thanks for staying up to this point. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you would know it when I upload more of such videos. When I was done, I secured it tightly with a rubber band. I then covered up the stalks with the petals I had removed from the flowers earlier and trimmed down the stalks. I covered the stalk with satin ribbon for a beautiful finished look. To do this part, you would have to overlap the satin over each other whilst you roll downwards. At the end, you cut the satin, fold it over to make a crease, and apply the glue stick inside the satin before applying some more at the tip to seal it. So that's it. That's how I made my bouquet for my civil marriage ceremony. If you were able to follow the steps, you should be able to make one for yourself. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be reading them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.